Hello, I am Andreas Endres from the company Rami Yokota, specialist in assembly tools. We have an extensive range of Red Rooster cordless tools, cordless impulse wrenches, cordless shut-off wrenches, pistol and angle, and cordless impact wrenches. I would like to explain and show the specific features. We have 4 models, up to 32, up to 55, up to 100 and up to 120 Newton meters. The torque setting is made by setting the number of impacts. This can be done easily at the back of the display. With this programmer, the following functions can be set: shut-off for left-handed thread, adjustment of the starting speed, counterclockwise rotation blocking, minimum number of rotations, auto-stop in counterclockwise rotation after a certain number of revolutions when loosening. Now I will tighten the bolt. Shut-off, assembly OK. Normal shut-off, assembly OK. Error message, the bolt is too short. Auto-stop in counterclockwise direction to prevent bolts, nuts or washers from flying off during disassembly. As you can see, I haven't said too much. If you're interested and would like to know more details, please send an email to info@rami-yokota.com for more information or a demonstration at your production line. Thank you and see you soon.